Hi guys, welcome to Point A to Z. Yes, with
Shoot.
your host Myla, MYL in Los Angeles, and my co-host.
Leia, not
Yes,
Salonga.
girly. Oh my gosh,
So
girly,
hot.
it's so hot.
Wait, the
Oh,
hair is not
you
giving.
should do the luga. Yes. Oh my god, look at you doing the beachy vibes and
I
shit. I
know.
know.
The natural hair is naturaling.
Right? And also, yeah, welcome to the first episode. We're here at Cebu. Oh my god,
Malapascua Island.
Malapascua Island. Ain't it so beautiful?
I mean,
Yeah,
look.
look at the view, girl. We went snorkeling
Kahapon.
yesterday. Yeah, girl. And again, the part that really haunts me is yung
Yung shipwreck.
battleship. Yeah,
My
yung
God.
shipwreck. Yeah, I know. Parang I thought it was just like this part over here, yung pinaka-skeleton niya.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was like the edge of the boat or of the ship. And it's such a colossal ship. It's so fucking
Ang
scary.
laki.
Yeah.
Expect ko, parang it's like, this lang.
Yeah, the pinaka ano.
Girl,
Yes,
it's
girl.
like
It's
that.
like that.
It's that long and it's that big.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Mali.
let's not put any
Mali.
meaning. Yup. No, no, no. Let's not put any meaning to that. Oh,
Wait lang.
oh,
Let's edit that
okay.
out.
We're starting. Oh my gosh.
Me and my dirty mouth.
Yup. No, it's
Sorry.
okay. I mean, we're on vacation, girl. We're on
I
vacation.
mean, we're not at work, so.
Yup. This is like totally safe for work. Safe for work content. Yes. Also, girl, yung pinag-usapan natin kanina,
Mm.
if you had the ability to like walk on water beach,
Girl.
and di ba nasa port tayo to Malapascua Island, would you walk on water from the port to Malapascua Island, or would you ride the boat like everybody else?
No, I'd walk.
You'd walk.
Yeah.
You'd walk.
Because if Jesus can,
Yes.
why can't I?
Why not me?
Why not me?
Yeah. Girl, if you turned on your Strava, that would be like 20K
20K
steps. Yeah,
steps.
20K steps. You would
Easy.
be, yes, girl, skinny mini. Skinny mini like that, girl.
Pagdating na Malapascua, 24 inches waistline.
Yes, girl. I believe in miracles, girl.
Ayan yung miracle.
Yep, the miracle. Also, girl, I sent you Instagram post.
Yeah.
Let's read it here. Let's read it here.
Okay. Let me
This is
turn that
crazy.
on because. Oh, there's a lot. Which one?
I think the last one that I sent.
Oh,
Look at
the
it.
last one.
look at
Sige,
it.
let's see ha. So it says here. Girl.
Go ahead.
Moses a dirty bitch for picking up two. What?
Let me
It's
read.
putol.
Jesus Christ. It says here on the post, Moses a dirty bitch for picking up two roaches and putting them on the ark like a real funky ass bitch. And you can tell him I said that. And then she replied to her own post, sources close to me have informed me that it was Noah, the trifling ass bitch.
Girl.
My deepest and sincerest apologies to Moses and his family at this time. Oh my gosh.
Girl, I just realized, oh my God, the Katolika in me,
What, girl?
my family would shame me. Moses and the Ark.
Moses in the ark. I mean,
Ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin, girl, mali nga pala.
that's Noah, bitch.
It's Noah.
Not
Oh my God.
Moses split the ocean, bitch. That wasn't Noah on the boat, girl.
I mean,
It was Noah, girl. That wasn't Moses. Wait, no, that wasn't Moses on the boat, girl. It was Noah, girl.
it's still in the ocean. So.
Yeah, no, you're right. But I think that's two different things. Like Moses literally part of the
Literally
ocean.
said, like,
Yeah.
break muna kayo, be.
Yes, girl. Like let's split. Yeah, let's split this shit.
Pero girl, ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin,
What?
Moses and an Ark.
No,
Like,
it was Noah, girl.
oo nga, no? It's
Yes.
Noah. Moses did the splitting.
Yes, girl.
Noah did the riding.
Yes, girl. I'm sorry. Noah did the riding. Noah did the ship, girl. Onboarding, girl. When you say it like that, when you say it like that, it's uncertain. Noah did the riding. I mean,
I mean, he rode dark.
I mean, you know what? Maybe we're just dirty, girl. Maybe we're just dirty. Oh my God.
It's too early
You
for
know,
this.
oh my God. Not the Bible characters, girl.
I'm sorry,
I'm
girl.
so sorry, God. Please forgive us. We're on vacation.
Girl, minus na minus na yun
Yup,
namin.
minus ka sa ligtas points.
Lalo ako, kahapon pa. Parang kahapon pa marumi yung binubuga ng bibig ko.
It's crazy,
I'm
girl.
so sorry.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Anyway, girl, I was really thinking about,
Yeah.
about, I don't know, maybe riding something else other than the boat. I mean, like the bus. The bus.
Oh.
Oh. Girl.
You better finish your sentence.
I'm so sorry. I wanna ride the bus, is what I wanna say. Gosh, girl. It- Girl, please stay with me. Don't keep fucking drinking water, girl. Oh my gosh. No, that's not what I meant. I meant like I was excited to ride like the bus to the city again because we're gonna go to the city next.
Girl, you better finish your sentence in less than 5 seconds or else.
Gosh.
Girl, the way you said that I wanna ride something else
Other than the boat.
other than the boat. And then there's a 10-second interval.
Yeah, girl. 10 seconds interval is crazy.
Iba na yung naiisip ko eh.
Yeah, girl.
Please,
I know. I am so sorry.
give me a break.
Give a break. That is one coming from you, girl.
I know.
Yeah, right. I'm so sorry.
Eh, kasi simula nang dumating dito nung Monday, wala nang ibang lumabas sa bibig ko, kundi ano eh.
Kabalastugan.
Yes.
Yes. I think kabalastugan is right.
I take accountability for that. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're on vacation. Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. Anyway, girl, I sent you a few more posts.
I like the other one that you sent.
Yeah.
Yung the seizure thing.
Girl, so
Is it here?
yeah,
Ay,
later. So there's this girl, right? She
Excuse
was in a holding cell.
Yeah,
Was that a
parang
holding cell?
parang ano siya, ongoing yun, ano ba, interrogation?
Yeah, something like that. And there's like a CCTV camera.
Yeah.
She's like trying to pretend a fucking seizure. And that's so fucking crazy. That's so fucking crazy.
Like, what did she do?
she, she, girl, oh my god.
Giving thriller.
Yeah, I mean, she could have laid down.
Yeah.
So, girl, that's so crazy. Like, imagine you're the fucking police officer seeing that shit firsthand. I would lose my shit. I would lose everything, girl. I would lose my shit.
I'd be like, what's she doing? What is this bitch
What is
doing?
this? Alam mo, honestly, parang when I first saw that video, it was hilarious, bitch. And actually, up to now, it's so fucking crazy, girl. I actually,
She was like that.
yeah,
She could have laid down.
she could have laid down.
Or sat.
You know what? I actually read in the comment section that in the YouTube there's like this full video. She did lay down.
Ah, she did.
Yeah, she did, but unfortunately,
It's too late.
I mean, she laid down and like this.
It's too
but
late.
No, she got up again, and then
Ano yung kuryente?
my girl, it was electrocuted. Please don't blame her.
Kuryente lang yung girl. Hindi seizure yun.
I know.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, you know what? At this times, I really want to give a shout out to Angel. Angel girl.
The confused bestie.
The confused bestie. Actually, we're a complete trio now for the fire signs. But we really don't claim her sometimes. Not all the
Yeah,
time.
minsan. Kasi naman eh.
Girl, I have to share this story. I'm sorry. Maybe ako yung mali, So this girl posted like a sexy photo, a thirst trap,
Yeah.
right?
Like thirst trap.
Thirst trap.
It's giving on a if you know
Boudoir.
boudoir
Yes.
photo shoot,
Yes.
familiar?
Yes, I'm familiar.
It's on a budget. Like she did it to herself. It's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. It's like
good.
what do you call this? A self-made thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's she did it herself.
Yeah,
Siya
she did
nag-set
herself.
up and it's good.
A DIY.
Yeah, it's a DIY.
DIY. My
Pero
gosh.
minsan talaga mapapasabi ka na lang na, be, you need sleep.
Anyway, she was posting these sexy ass photos and then parang I'm like, oh my gosh.
She ate.
I'm fucking impressed. She ate.
Yeah.
No, she ate. No,
She
really.
ate.
And then parang I was like, syempre yung
The
uso ngayon, the
gating.
gating, like, oh, two times 4
Equals
8.
8.
ATE 8. And then parang we video
We
call, we
FaceTime.
FaceTime during her lunch hours.
Mm.
And we were really drained of energy. Like,
Yeah, as in zero energy.
Baby. And sabi ni Angel, oh, nag-comment ka sa post ko in Instagram.
And she asked me, sabi niya, 2x4. Be, ano mo yung 2x4? Ako naman, hindi ko kasi nakita yung comment. In my defense, hindi ko nakita yung comment. Okay? Hindi ko rin nakita yung post kasi.
Yeah, no.
So, I was like, hindi, ano yun? I'm a little lost. Kasi
Okay.
nga, hindi ko alam.
Yeah.
Nung pinakita na niya sa akin, yung comment, sabi ko, be, 2 times 4 equals 8.
I'm like,
As in,
8. Yes. And then sabi niya,
she was like,
oh. Sabi niya, tapos sinabi niya sa ano, ano to be? 2x4. And then sabi ko, buy?
2x4.
Buy. So you read X as buy. Girl, that's fucking crazy, girl. That's crazy because you read 2x for 2x4, not times 4. Honey, I'm so sorry the multiplication system failed you, honey. I mean,
Ano sabi mo? Kailangan niya bumalik ng grade 3.
yes, you have to go with grade 3, girl. Like, you have to
What are we building?
Yeah, why are we saying 2x4? Like, parang, what the fuck are we trying to build? Bakit nagsusukat ka ng kahoy? Honey, this is crazy. This is crazy. What the fuck are we trying to 2x4? Buy!
And this isn't her first rodeo.
Oh my gosh, sabi ko, you know what? You would lose your fucking mind, girl, if I put 2 arrow like this and 4. Baby, she
wouldn't know the meaning of greater than.
You would lose your fucking mind, girl. Like, parang, no, a 4 greater than 2, sorry.
Yeah.
You would lose your fucking mind, girl. If I put that, you wouldn't know how to read that, girl. You would say 4 arrow 2. That's so crazy. Anyway, shout out to my girl, Angel.
And this isn't her first rodeo, by the way.
Right.
There's something happened before this.
Oh my gosh, girl, not the iPad.
Yes, it's the iPad.
Oh my god, girl, please not the iPad.
Can I share?
Let's do the first
I might share. I might share because this is straight up, girl, what the fuck? What did you do? Kasi,
Go ahead.
contemplating siya if bibili siya ng phone.
Yeah, her phone.
Bibili siya kasi her phone is dying on her.
It is.
Like, imagine a phone, magbabayad ka sa QR, and then the QR camera will just turn white.
Jesus
That's
Christ.
how old it is. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, girl, just get a phone. Like, please, get a phone.
Yeah,
like a new one.
Real.
And then, in her defense, she can't. Kasi, hawak daw ng parents niya yung expenses niya. I was like, girl, what are you, high school? I mean, I would understand if you're still in high school.
Yeah,
pero,
no,
girl, you're 28. 27 pala, sorry.
Okay.
She's 27.
27.
Girl, you're 27. And your parents still hold your finances? I mean, okay, let's give her that. Kasi we don't know.
That's crazy, girl.
Anyway, ang sabi niya, bumili siya iPad. Long story short, bumili siya iPad. She got the latest. I don't know if what's the latest eh.
Basta the latest
Basta the
iPad.
latest iPad.
That's crazy.
She paid for 55,000
Oh my god.
for the iPad.
Who has that money?
Her?
Her, apparently.
Yeah. And then, 2 days later,
Okay.
I mean, also, the iPad comes with the case, the tempered glass, and all in all, which is like 5K.
Oh yeah, the accessories.
Yeah, the accessories.
They don't come for free.
Yes.
They don't come for free. I wish they did, but unfortunately they don't.
2 days later, the bitch went back to Power Mac.
Mm.
And she asked for a replacement.
Okay.
And I was like, why? She replaced it with a phone. A 17 Pro. And she paid for an additional 12,500 for the replacement because the iPad was already opened. The value is in the box.
The value is in the box. It's crazy, girl.
The iPad was with her for 2 days.
Crazy. 1, 2, girl. 48 fucking hours.
2 days.
48 fucking hours. Crazy, girl. Girlie, why did you even fucking return the iPad at this point? Oh my
Ang
goodness.
sabi niya, if wala raw siyang laptop, hindi niya ibabalik yung iPad. May laptop nga siya.
You know what's the crazy part?
Yeah.
Sabi niya pa kasi, ang hirap daw itago ng phone.
Ang hirap daw
itago ng phone. But she bought
an iPad.
Girl. That's crazy. How are you gonna hide that from your parents? Ain't that harder to hide?
Iniisip ko baka lang kasi malaki bulsa niya.
Girl, I think I remember she told me one time her parents caught her with that. That's parang ginawa niya pa maypay. No, this is like a fan or something. That's crazy.
No, it's kind of like parang ano lang, parang example lang, nahuli ka ng parents mo.
It was just yeah.
Pamaypay lang ma.
Oh, okay. But it didn't really happen.
Yeah,
it's just an example. Okay.
Like what Jenny said.
Okay.
Like, nanonood daw si Angel ganyan. Bakit may ilaw, anak, yung kahon mo? Ay, hindi, to, fairy lights.
Fairy lights is insane.
12,000, girl. That's already my budget for 3 weeks.
Girl, with 12,500, I can do a lot.
Ang dami kong mabibili.
I can do a lot, girl. That's like my budget for like 2 weeks.
Diba?
It's
2 or 3
fair.
weeks.
Yeah, girl. Kasi we're 3 days on site, 2 days work at home. So,
diba?
Yeah. Then I don't go out on the weekend that much. So I could save like more money.
Pero girl, 12,500. Tapos, ang sabi niya, yung 42,000 straight payment.
My God. Who has that kind of money, girl? Apparently she does.
Well, she has the credit limit. So.
Oh, well, I love that for her.
Pero, babe, how on earth are you gonna hide an iPad?
From your parents?
Mas matatago raw yung iPad kesa sa cellphone.
How? I mean, mama, like, how will you... I don't know. I don't know.
Alam mo kung kailan lang niya na-realize yan? She already bought the iPad,
Okay.
ha? We talked about it, siguro mga a day after. Na-realize niya, nandun siya sa workstation ko, na-realize niya na, oo nga no, pwede kong gamitin yung bagong phone dito sa office and then yung lumang phone dun sa bahay. Tanga-tanga. Ganito ako sa kanya, oh.
What did we learn? What did we learn? Yeah.
Sabi ko gano'n, kasi nakatayo siya eh. I was like, yeah. Ngayon mo lang na-realize?
Crazy.
Pwede yun, babe.
Yeah.
Ngayon, nasa may iPad, ano gagawin mo?
Crazy.
And then, ayun, the next day, binalik niya. Yun yung na-realize niya from me. And then, she's blaming me.
Okay, why?
Kasi daw, hindi ko siya pinilit na bumili ng phone. I'm like, girl,
you convinced her many times.
I already told you, hindi lang 10. To buy a phone. You bought a gadget, but not a phone.
You bought a gadget. Ay, nako. Anyway, Angel Girl, we love you.
We love you,
We're
pero may times talaga na may times talaga na yung utak mo nasa labi.
fine.
Kasi her lips are,
Yeah, she's Angelina Jolie lips.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty
kaya
like
ang
that.
sabi ko sa kanya, be, yung utak mo minsan nasa labi. Same.
Any, moving on. What what feels like a scam, but it isn't? I go first.
The iPad,
That
bitch.
no. For me, it's the fucking yung Apple storage. Lies. Liza Minnelli, Liza Minnelli. Because, um,
For Android. Let's compare it to Android.
yeah, because when you buy an Android, when it says it has
Internal storage.
internal storage of 5G or 15 gigabytes, it literally covers all applications,
Lahat.
pictures, videos, everything, updates, all
Lahat,
folders, basta all in all. Pero
Sa Apple,
sa Apple,
it's for the apps lang.
it's for the applications only. You have to buy
An
as-
extra
an extra.
for the photos and the videos
Yes,
and files.
cloud storage.
Cloud storage.
Cloud storage is a scam, guys. Fucking scam. Like parang
Magkano yan? 50 per month?
yeah,
50.
50. I mean,
49 pa nga.
49. I mean, it's not that much, but honey, you fucking lied to me because what do you mean I have 15 GB storage for what?
Hindi, tsaka, what if, ano ba siya? Is it a monthly thing or do you have to buy it for 49 pesos?
No, it's a monthly
It's a
thing.
monthly
It's a monthly
thing?
thing. You have to like pay
Monthly?
49, yes, you have to pay 49 pesos. Actually, it goes bigger. Um, if you need like more storage space, you have to. There's different packages to it. Parang it just starts with 49. I know. It's crazy. It's a fucking scam, girl.
I'm
Like,
not buying that.
right? Like, honey, like, you're already billionaires.
Yeah.
You're already billionaires. Like, just give this to us. Nagbigay nyo lang sa
Tsaka
amin to.
yung Apple Music.
Yung Apple Music. Oh, yeah. I think it's only for 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I understand your point. It doesn't make sense that you already have an Apple phone and Apple Music is not free,
Yeah.
right?
Why?
Why? Yeah, no, exactly right. Like, parang, I mean, we would just subscribe to Spotify if it isn't free,
Kaya lang
right?
kasi, it's already built in there.
Yeah, no.
So parang, ano sense if we have to pay? If we already bought a phone,
yeah,
so,
girl, that's so
why
crazy.
do we have to buy? Why do we have to subscribe
Crazy,
monthly
girl.
sa music and sa storage?
Anyway, wow, that's crazy. Anyway, you, what's something that feels like a scam but it isn't?
Ano ba? Di ba napaisip din ako? Ano ba?
What?
So far kasi yan eh. Plane tickets. Piso sale.
Girl, that's only one way.
Ha?
That's only one way.
Hindi, ang ano kasi dyan, yung, syempre mahukok ka. Piso eh.
Yup.
But then, when you get to the payment, tax.
How much in total if it's a piece?
I saw a video on TikTok.
Go ahead.
I think it's round trip na
Mm,
from Manila to Singapore. Girl, kung titingnan mo naman kasi talaga, yung fare is only piso. Piso
Okay.
lang naman talaga.
yeah.
Pero in total, including the tax, the insurance, and everything, it concluded to 4K per
Girl,
person.
what a scam.
I mean, it's round trip, pero
No,
it's
no, kahit
still-
na, kasi parang, if you say it's a piso sale, it
should
should
be
just,
piso.
it should be piso including all.
Yeah.
I mean, isn't that fair? Because you said it's a piso fare. It is only we just paid for a regular fare.
Yeah.
If, diba?
Kaya lang kasi, ang sabi nung nag-post, it's way cheaper than the normal fare nga naman.
Point taken.
Pero still,
Yeah, still.
the taxes.
You could have been honest.
Oh my God.
Yeah, lies,
Sana
lies.
inano nila na piso excluding travel tax. It would have been clear
Yeah.
to the people. Parang, kasi syempre, lalo yung mga, sabihin natin, gipit. na gustong
no.
mag-travel.
Yeah,
Na wala
oo.
naman masyadong idea sa mga ganyan. Sabihin nila, piso, ganyan, piso lang pala, tara book tayo. And then kapag yung magbabayad na, 5,000, 10,000, girl,
You know what? I also feel the same way. Are you done?
yeah,
Oh, you know what? I also feel the same way pagdating sa mga TikTok sale.
yeah,
Because nagtitingin ako sa TikTok and then parang I saw these shorts like 7 pieces for only 109.
mm.
And then
Pag in-add to cart na,
nung chine-check out ko na siya, nagiging 307 na. I'm like, whoa! Where the fuck did this 200 peso come from?
yeah, it happens. Minsan kahit nasa cart pa lang kapag in-add to cart mo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minsan, parang, di ba, 109. But if you choose like a different color, a different size, then the prices change.
Mm.
I'm like, you motherfucker. Shut up. You fucking scammer, bro. I hate it. Scamming and shit. Scamming people out of their shit. Anyway, girl. Moving on. If, alam we get famous, right?
Mm.
And then parang, we hope so, right? I hope so. And then parang, nabigyan ka ng contract, like to be an artist, like to be an actor, girl. Would you take it?
Holy fuck. First of all, I'm not gonna be an actor because I'd laugh.
Girl, same.
Magagalit lang si Direk sa akin
Girls.
talaga.
Same, no, same.
Alam mo yung ano,
Yeah.
imagine si Direk, for example, nandun sa likod.
Yeah.
Lalapit siya in front of the camera and be like, ano ba ginagawa mo? She'd be like that.
Girl, same, because I cannot act for shit. Because when I'm in front of the camera, girl, I cannot take shit seriously.
I mean, obviously.
Yeah, we're always gonna fucking laugh. And I'm always, ako malilimutin ako sa script.
That too.
That too. Di ba parang, I mean, yeah, I memorize it, pero parang when I'm there, I'm like, holy shit.
Parang,
is this,
what's my line?
yeah, what's the line? Yeah, what's next? So parang, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, director, because I really can't do this. Please don't sign me.
I'd
Ayo-
rather be
Yeah.
behind the camera.
Ako, siguro, I would really, really love to do just like a TVC commercial. My dream is really to be, like to advertise Jollibee, girl. Like, I want to have TV advertisement for Jollibee. Or kahit anong fast food restaurant dito sa Pilipinas, as long as like, they're famous, they're hit, like KFC, Jollibee, McDonald's, girl. Mang Inasal, girl.
I'm down for Jollibee.
Yeah, Jollibee, right? Because,
Especially yung chicken.
yes.
Ugh.
Yes.
It's free chicken.
It's
please.
free chicken, yes. And juicy and everything.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Like the oil, the
Yes. Yes.
Mm.
Tsaka when they make it for the TVC commercial, they make it really good.
Yeah.
They make it really good. Cause
I mean,
iba
it's
siya,
still juicy naman sa personal.
yeah, pero iba pa rin parang when it's on the TV
Advertised.
commercial, yeah, because it has to look like perfect. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of Jollibee,
Yeah,
let's have Jollibee pagbalik ng city.
Let's have Jollibee pagbalik
Please.
ng city. Yup.
I miss Jollibee.
I miss Jollibee too, girl. Like, you know, no hate sa mga menu dito. I love it. It's just parang, girl, like, per dish is like 300. 300 plus.
I can literally make that for 200.
I know,
Please.
right? Like, the
Especially yung tortang talong.
girl, 400. 400,
Let's
girl.
take a fact check. Girl, magkano nga ulit yung tortang talong? 350.
Oh, 350.
My mom can make that for less than 100, girl.
Yes, girl. Just an eggplant, egg, sibuyas, and tomatoes, girl. Like,
And if you're fancy,
yeah.
lalagyan mo pa ng giniling yan.
Oh, and a little cheese too.
Yeah, and cheese.
Yes, and cheese.
Pero, that's still less than 350.
Yeah, it wouldn't cost
girl.
that much.
Magkano lang ang 1/4 na giniling? That's like 100 plus. Talong is how much? 20? 30?
I guess you can say that parang,
Girl, hindi kayo gumagamit ng fuel sa pag-ano ng talong, ha? Huwag kayong ano.
I guess you can say that we're not really the target market, but, you
Girl?
know, no, because parang it's more like for the foreigners, China.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like gentrified.
Mm-hmm.
Ito,
Tsaka, the foreigners will not do anything naman.
yun
Kasi
nga eh.
that's the price na eh.
Yeah,
Parang,
ito kasi mahirap kapag parang when an area is gentrified,
yeah.
you know, the prices go up, ganyan. Kasi parang it's more to
The foreign.
more on the foreign keme. Parang, I mean, still for us Filipinos in some point, but, syempre mamahalan nila because there's foreigners.
The foreigners are,
They're rich.
Yeah.
They're coming here with money.
yeah,
And we're just coming here with whatever we
Philippine
have.
money.
Yeah, we like whatever we have.
I literally have only 3,000 pesos in my wallet for a week.
I think parang ang nagpapagastos talaga sa atin dito, the food girl.
Yeah.
The food girl. Because yung mga tour channeling, I think,
It's already prepaid.
yeah, it's prepaid and it's already part of the package.
Yeah.
Pero parang the food girl and how we live, girl, everything's...
I'm actually scared for the audit now. Kasi feel ko short ako.
Oh my gosh! Girl, don't get me started!
Feel ko short ako.
Oh my gosh!
Kaya,
Yeah, I think...
kapag nagkasingilan, please, let's do it, in by gives.
Oh my gosh!
Let's do it by gives.
Oh,
please.
monthly, please.
Oo. O kahit tuwing sweldo.
Oh, with interest.
Oo,
Yeah.
kahit with interest, be. Sige.
Oh my gosh.
We'll give you that.
Oh my goodness, kasi. Oh my gosh, girl, I'm fucking nervous too.
I'm nervous now.
I'm nervous too.
Kasi meron pa akong 2 weeks na pasok on-site.
Girl, me, same. Same.
Kasi
Girl,
baka mamaya
me.
pagbalik natin ng Manila, girl, wala na akong pamasahe papasok. Paano ako papasok?
I don't know, get fly on your magic carpet or something. Crazy
Mag 1, 2, 3 sa bus.
Yeah, okay. Oh my God, please no.
Don't give me ideas.
Oh my God, please. Oh my God, speaking of the bus, the airplane girl. The
Ano?
standby. Oh my God.
Okay.
You know,
Backstory.
yung backstory. So, dumating na kaming lahat
Sa
sa
NAIA.
Airport, sa may,
Yung sa self-check-in.
yeah,
ng
ng
PAL.
PAL. So, nag-aano kami sa kiosk.
Self-check-in, yeah.
Yeah. And,
Lumalabas, walang lumalabas
yeah.
boarding pass.
Mhm.
Ngayon,
Nakalagay siya on standby.
hindi pa natin alam yun.
Yeah. Hindi pa namin alam yan.
Yeah. Tapos, siguro sa sobrang frustrated na tayo.
Parang tinry natin isa-isa,
Oo.
differently sa
We try
atin.
na, kasi 3 kami. Tinry
Yeah.
namin, tig-isa kami. And then, na-frustrate na, napikon na. So, let's ask for assistance na.
Mm-mm.
And then, ang sabi ni ate girl na nag-a-assist, on standby, lahat kami. So, she asked kung employee daw ba tayo.
Yeah.
I mean, thank you, but we're not.
No, we're not.
We're not.
We're not.
And then, ang sabi, kapag on standby daw, there's a possibility na full yung flight. So, we were like, we booked this in advance. Paano full?
Girl, real.
Like, binook namin to nung wala pang nangyayari sa Middle East.
Anyway,
And then,
moving forward
moving
quickly, we were at pumila kami ganyan.
dun sa check-in.
Yes, kasi
Oo.
sabi, ay, on standby kayo, yun na yun, sinabi na sa atin.
Mm.
On standby kayo, ganyan. And then, binigyan kami ng
Sa
options
counter
na parang,
lang.
there's a chance that you would be rescheduled or they
Or
will give you a hotel.
later, parang on a later date.
Or they will give you a hotel to parang stay.
Yeah.
And then parang, oh my God, this is fucking scary because
Hindi na maano yung leave natin, girl.
oo nga, we can't cancel the leaves, girl. And then parang we can't go back because it's gonna be embarrassing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be embarrassing. Like, why are you on site? Why are you working? Because
The flight was full.
yeah, the flight was full. I'm
And
sorry.
it's not our fault.
Yeah, it's not our fault. It's oh my God, it's so embarrassing. We can't do that, girl. Anyway, nasa pila na kami to go to the
Counter.
counter. Yes. And then parang sabi ko, oh my God, we're on standby, girl. We can do a chance passenger, girl.
Yeah.
We can just stand in the plane. Yeah, we can.
Same experience, iba lang ang
Yeah, with the bus. Yeah. Iba lang yung vehicle, but same experience as the bus,
I mean,
girl.
It's an Airbus.
Yeah.
Airbus.
Sabi ko, oh my God, I would take chance passenger anytime. Like, tatayo kami sa bus na ganyan. Like,
Naka-airplane.
yes, please let us ride. Please let us ride. Okay lang sa amin na chance passenger kami.
Ganon lang tayo sa plane. May hawakan naman eh. Okay lang.
Yeah. I mean, It's a really familiar experience. Please give this to us.
Give this to us.
Give this to us.
Ang ending, we got it.
Yeah, we got it.
We got
yeah.
it. Ano naman pala, parang meron lang sigurong mix with the other flights.
What did the lady at the counter said?
Wala. Ang sabi lang, wala na siyang sinabi. Ang sabi lang niya, okay na.
Oh.
Hmm.
So I'm like, okay, so we're not standing on the plane.
Yeah, we're not.
Okay, well that's
Pero,
good.
there's another flight going to Cebu ata or Iloilo na yun yung full. So, I think there was a there was a mismatch.
Hmm.
And Philippine Airlines din kasi.
I see.
So, parang na ano siguro ng system na hindi dapat ito yung isa dapat. Parang ganon.
No hate to Pal,
Mm-hmm.
but your system is not bougie.
Mm-hmm.
Is not it? Is not bougie, girl. Because I have experiences with Air Asia and
Cebu Pacific.
Cebu Pacific. Girl, bougie girl. Just scan the QR code,
Mm-mm.
and that's it, girl. Like parang
Lalabas na yung boarding pass.
yeah, you're good to go.
Mm-mm.
And parang this is the only time that we had a hard time
Mm-mm.
sa sa
Yeah.
Pal, like parang oh my gosh. This is a horrific experience, honestly.
I rode with PAL before when I came to Cebu, here in Cebu rin.
Okay.
Pero we didn't have this experience.
Hindi siguro para sa akin din, parang their airport mismo, it isn't bougie. The lights is not giving, girl. Like you can't do a selfie or anything.
You really can't.
You
Pero
really
ang ganda
can't.
ng airport ng Mactan.
Oh
You've
yeah,
seen,
yeah,
diba?
Cebu
Ang
Mactan
ganda.
Airport, girl.
Mactan, actually it's Mactan Cebu.
Mactan Cebu.
International
Yeah,
airport.
international
I
airport.
love it.
Ate that shit.
Naiya could never.
Could never, bitch.
Ever.
Ever, bitch.
Yeah.
It's
Paglabas mo ng platform, duty free.
right.
Duty free agad.
Yeah, and we saw Jesus.
That's what I said. Girl, nasa flight. Boarding yung passengers, ganyan. Ang sabi namin, mag-off na tayo ng data kasi take off na.
Right.
So, take off na, nag-off na kami ng data, DND.
Deuces!
Yeah, deuces. And then, pagka-off ng data, there was this guy, he's a foreigner.
Yeah,
He's
absolutely.
foreign, and he looks like Jesus.
He looks like Jesus.
I was about to chat these two. I was like, guys, I'm seeing Jesus.
That's crazy, girl.
And they didn't even see. Ang nakakatawa doon, nakita pa namin siya
Sa airport mismo.
sa airport.
Yeah,
And
girl.
hindi sa airport. I mean, kumbaga sa
Sa terminal.
O yun, sa terminal paglabas natin.
Yeah.
Papunta doon sa sakayan ng bus, ng Grab. I was like, I'm seeing Jesus. Hindi ko lang sila ma-chat kasi naka-off na yung data nila. So, girl, how was Jesus in the plane?
Girl, that's crazy, girl. And then we saw him. He does look like Jesus, girl.
Yeah, di
He
ba?
doesn't. No, Jesus, please don't
With
be
a
mad at
backpack.
yeah. Please don't be mad at us.
Don't be mad, please,
Yeah,
Lord.
please. Yeah, I'm sorry. Like,
We're just shook.
yeah, we I mean, we don't know what you look like in person, but honey,
Yeah. It resembles.
yeah, what you look like in the painting, girl.
Yeah.
Like in the
Ganun na
painting,
ganun siya.
in the painting, in the
The
pictures, in the
statues.
statues, yeah, he literally looks like the Jesus version. That's so crazy, girl. I'm like, oh my god, Jesus, take the wheel.
Literally.
Literally, no. Katie! She said, no, it's a plane.
Girl, you should be here.
Yeah.
You should be
Oh
here.
my god, well, we love the side. We love the
We
side
love the side
comments.
comments,
Of Katie.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh my
Maririnig
God.
naman siguro siya.
Yeah.
I hope so. Kasi
Another-
kung noise cancelling to, she wouldn't be able to hear.
Simply said, no, it's a plane.
Sana lang kapag inedit, rinig siya.
Yeah.
Kasi
That's
hindi
fine.
siya maririnig kapag
Yeah, we're on noise canceling. It's in green.
yeah.
Yeah.
Pero let's look.
Gosh. You know what? We ought to buy a new microphone, the three
Yeah.
of us.
She's ordering drinks. What are you ordering, be?
Oh my god, it's happy hour.
Happy hour na?
Happy hour na, it's 4, girl.
Oh God.
Girl,
Oo
look
nga,
look at your
no?
Instagram and then check more posts that I sent. Okay?
Speaking of Instagram, Angel texted.
What
What? She was like, be. And then what?
Not at this moment. Please check my messages.
What is this? Oh shit, it's this one. It's the granny. It's the grandma.
Okay. So I saw this like on Instagram Reels is crazy
Yeah.
girl, and then parang someone posted a picture of their grandma, really really old, and
And she is kind of terrifying. I'm not gonna lie.
girl,
I'm sorry.
yeah, let's not talk ill about the dead.
Yeah.
Anyway, so someone posted and then posted their grandma, and then someone replied, "Please, this is terrifying,"
Yeah.
in caps, and then parang the original poster replied to the person that replied to the post,
Yeah.
"That's my grandmother. She passed away 4 months ago." And then the first person that she replied, she said, "Thank
Thank
God."
God. Oh my God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
I'm like, girl, please
That's
don't.
crazy.
She's terrifying, but let's not speak ill
Oh my
with
God,
the dead.
she said, "Thank God."
Yeah.
She's
Like,
all
she's
that's
scary. I
that
mean, I'm not gonna lie.
yeah,
She is scary,
she is
pero
scary.
let's not speak ill will of the
Yeah.
dead.
Anyway, I also saw this post saying that next earthquake, I'm for real.
What? What?
Next earth
Say it.
next Oh my god, did someone shushing us? Anyway, it says here, next earthquake, I'm for real. I'm putting my pussy on the ground and using the earth as the vibrator.
Si Katie. Oh my god,
That's crazy.
the girl looked at us. I'm shy now.
It's okay, girl.
I mean,
It's
okay.
a free space.
I mean,
We pay for
okay,
our space.
continue.
We literally just had dinner.
Continue.
Continue this activity.
It's lunch, yeah. We
Oh,
just had lunch.
we just had lunch.
Yeah.
You know what?
You take it back.
I take it back. I'm sorry.
Anyway,
I
the
retracted
vibrator thing.
the vibrator thing. That's crazy, girl.
Yeah, Katie's right. She's desperate.
you have to do like a split.
Yeah, you do. What
Yeah,
if
you
you're
do.
not flexible?
I don't know how you're gonna put your pussy on the ground, bitch. Like if you can't split, how are you gonna do
And
that?
then how is gonna earth vibrate? Like, is
No,
it that like that,
no,
not
girl.
like that?
It's just like
No, I get it.
an analogy thing.
Na-
Analogy?
no, I what?
What? No, comparison, something like that.
Natawanan si Katie. Hindi kasi
What?
if you're gonna think, if you're not in the green side,
Yeah.
mag-iisip yung mga tao, hindi ba yung earthquake is like this and not like this?
No, the tremor really depends. Sometimes it's really
Vibrating.
yeah. It's not like always like this.
I don't think your pussy is gonna feel the tremor. You really don't.
She said, "I don't think your pussy's gonna feel the tremor."
I don't really think you're gonna feel that. Like, unlike
Fucking
to
crazy girl.
unlike a vibrator that
Yeah.
you're really gonna put it in there
Yeah.
or on there,
Yes, girl.
you won't feel a thing.
I think you wouldn't.
I'm girl.
The fucking side comments from Kay
Wait.
is wild.
Pause.
Pause.
Bogey check.
God. Ain't this
Left and right.
left and right?
Nasa likod mo.
I know, girl.
Nagtagalog na ako para hindi niya maintindihan. Nagtagalog ako para hindi niya maintindihan kasi baka mamaya.
Kala mo ah.
Yeah.
Get a translator, bitch.
Yeah.
Anyway, girl.
Nasa likod mo, be.
Yeah. The color coding of our resembles the sunset.
Yeah.
We started with orange, then blue,
And
or
then we're pink.
pink.
Because
On
in
Wednesdays,
we
we
only
were-
wear pink.
yes, we were pink.
Yeah. I hope everyone gets the reference.
You can sit with us. God, you look
Sorry.
my gosh. You're not in a public space.
I mean, we just did. Might
Yeah,
as
we
well
just did.
go all the way.
Yup. You know, yesterday, parehas silang nagrereklamo because they got dark. Their skin got dark
Yeah,
from the sun.
you see this?
And then parang, wow, I was never complimented the whole fucking day in my life. Like parang, ang puti mo be, ganyan, and I didn't believe them. I appreciated the compliment. When I saw myself on the glass door, I'm like, whose goddamn white baby is that?
That is Caucasian
That is Caucasian.
from the mount.
Later. Let's do the part later. Let's do that. Who's goddamn white baby is that? That's, I mean, from the
This is your baby.
baby.
He's just white skinned.
Yeah.
Everyone gets the reference,
Yeah.
please.
No. Can you continue the line? You memorize
Ano
it.
nga yun? That one might be mine. I'm
But
not too sure.
Yeah, but
That
don't
just
mean
because
his name
he's
is
Darren
Darren.
doesn't mean
He
he
belonged
belonged
to
to
Darren.
Darren.
The baby's light skinned. Yeah.
That is white skin,
Yeah, right.
not light skinned.
Yes.
That is a white child.
From the mountains
Mountains of
of Caucasus.
Caucasus.
That is a Caucasian baby. Oh my
Please.
god.
I can't believe I got that.
Parang sabi ko, oh my god. No, oh my god. Whose goddamn white baby is that? When I saw myself in the fucking mirror.
Yeah.
That's crazy, girl. And then, earlier, bago kami mag-tour, so, lumabas na ako, right?
Mhm.
And I was feeling really confident because I can see myself in the mirror.
Mhm.
The glass door kasi reflecting, you
Yeah.
can't see what's inside.
Yeah.
And
Ayun
I'm
na
like,
ata yun.
and I'm like, I look really good.
I
I look
told
really
you.
good. And I'm like, ganyan. I look like this, like this on my face. And then parang, makita ko, may kulangot ako sa ilong ko, girl. Yeah, PSA sa mga kumakain, I'm so sorry. May bugger ako sa nose ko, and I picked it, ginanon ko, girl. And then parang, I smile like,
You're literally confident that time, so you did
oo.
Yeah.
That's,
out of nowhere you smiled it.
that's
Like, why?
because I was feeling myself, girl. I was just feeling myself.
I mean, I do that minsan.
I
Yeah.
was just feeling
Pero
myself, girl.
why did you stop?
Girl, because I heard a fucking witch laugh. Sabi ko, who is that witch laughing? Like, sino yung bruha na yun? Like, oh my God.
Si Katie pala.
Please burn this bitch to the stake. Who is this witch laughing?
Pagtingin mo.
Ang lakas ng tawa. And yung parang, oh my God, no. Pagbukas ko ng door, no, Katie, sorry. No, my reputation is ruined now. Oh my God. Buti di mo binidyohan because that would be more embarrassing.
Dapat pala may evidence. Nadala na siya sa moment.
Gosh, like parang, oh my God. Who is this bitch laughing?
Actually, naririnig ko si Katie sa CR kasi naliligo ako noon.
Ang lakas ng tas ko. Sino yun?
Sabi ko, ano yun? Ba't tinatawanan ni Katie ka
Sabi ko,
ako?
sino tumatawa? Kasi akala ko, di ba, there's like the other
May
house.
nanonood siya.
The next from us.
Oo.
Akala ko galing doon.
Or nanonood siya.
Yeah. Who is this bitch laughing at? Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Hindi nakaganon yung kortina. She saw me. Oh my God! It's embarrassing! Oh God!
Tapos sabi ni Katie sa akin, kasi tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, ang sabi ko, ay, tatawanan mo, yun pala. Sabi niya, si Walker kasi. Sige
Oh,
po.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano to? Bakla?
You have to drink it for you to know.
Girl, we're literally filming.
We're literally filming.
I mean, it's aesthetic, so. Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, cheers.
Libre ba ni Katie to? Charing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
Katie.
Katie.
So, dalawa sa'yo.
No, because it's buy one, take one.
Ah, okay.
Oh my God!
Girl,
That's why there's a straw, bitch. You don't need to drink it a whole.
what is this? Is this kombucha?
Don't say!
No.
Drink it first, bitch.
Oh my god, now
Drink
I'm
it first.
scared. Wait.
Yeah. Get the sign of the cross.
So it's yummy.
Is it? Yung reaction niya hindi yummy, te.
Just taste it, girl. I can't be left out. Hurry up. Let's do this.
Oh. What's that? Ooh. Is this rum? Is it?
It is. It's an alcohol, bitch.
With iced tea.
No. No. That's Long Island flavor.
Oh.
Mm.
I'd be red in the next 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So you will be tasting like a lemon.
So
rum
it's...
lemon sweet drink.
Girl, it's not sweet.
It's actually not sweet.
It's not sweet.
You'll taste the sweet.
Anyway,
Girl,
girl.
expect that I'd be talking nonsense for the next 15 minutes.
We need that, girl. For video, girl.
That's right.
Girl, my reputation would be ruined.
Our reputation would be
Yeah.
ruined. Yeah. Episode 1
Pero it's good.
would be fucking insane. I remember when I was drinking with your dad, no?
Oh, my dad died.
Sorry, dad.
My dad died
Sorry,
kasi he's not
Dad.
a hard girly.
Mm.
Ang tama.
Anyway, please keep the receipt for EOD report. Yes. Wow, girl.
Kaya lang ano, if ever, we need more ice. Kasi mainit.
Yeah. Anyway, girl, while Katie is settling with the bill,
Mm-mm.
we'll pay you later, girl.
In gives.
Yes. My God, parang kahit wala pa tayong reconciliation day, I think
Kinakabahan na ako, girl.
ako rin. The sumbatan portion
For
is gonna be
real.
wild.
Oo. For
The
real.
sumbatan portion is gonna be
It's
wild.
gonna be wild.
Gonna be wild.
Girl, nararamdaman ko na mas-short ako for the next 2 weeks.
Gosh. I mean, we
We advise on credit card company.
I'll-
Bills to pay.
Actually, me too.
I paid it na.
Sana all.
Praise the Lord. Yeah, God is nice. Woo woo. Amen.
Anyway.
Girl, when we were diving,
Mm.
what was your initial reaction when I jumped in the water without the life vest on?
Girl, you don't need Jesus. Jesus need you. Katie agrees.
Jesus needs you.
You
It's
don't need
fine.
Jesus. Jesus needs you
Jesus needs you.
Yeah.
Wild.
to be alive. Kasi naman, guys, kami ni Katie, naka-life vest, praying for our dear life.
Nakakapit sa barko.
Nagdadalawang isip kung
Nakakapit sa barko.
tatalon ba,
Yeah.
or tatalon ba kami pero nakakapit sa bangka, or what. This bitch,
Crazy ass bitch.
walang snorkel, walang goggles, basta na lang tumalon. And he's like,
Oh, the water's fine.
the water's fine,
The
guys,
water's-
let's go. I'm like,
Yeah.
be,
I can't-
We're dying to pray for ourselves because wala pa kaming tara.
yeah. Yeah.
Exactly that.
That's the point of our life. And you literally just jump.
Yeah. He just jumped like
Tinanong pa nila, how deep is this? Oh, this is 16 feet. Okay. Ciao! See you later.
palibasa laking Subic,
Doses.
laking Zambales. Zambales is like a fantasy for other people. Diba?
Yeah,
Kasi-
yeah.
Pero girl, you don't have to brag like that. Kamusta naman kami mga laking syudad?
you know, when I was a little kid, I used to do swimming lessons sa YMCA, but I didn't really get all the techniques.
Mm,
But what I mastered is floating, girl.
okay.
Floating, and because my big brothers were bullies, they used to throw us sa mga malalalim to deep waters, and we would drown, and they would save us for it to be to be a funny joke, but we could have died. But
So you learned out of Survival.
I learned out of survival. I learned out of fear. So, whenever my girl would throw me in the deep, not this time, bitch.
I can swim.
I can swim now. I learned how to float now.
Yeah.
So, since I was a kid, since I was young, I know how to float. Lahat ng mga na-practice ko sa swimming pool na malalalim, na-apply ko siya.
Perfect.
Yes.
Ako kasi yun, inaral ko pang competition eh.
Yeah, me too. The swim, the ganyan. Pero
Mm.
I really didn't. Hindi ko siya naaral lahat. I didn't memorize all of it. But the most important lesson that I learned is parang the moment that you will sink is
Yeah.
when you panic.
Yeah.
And then parang if you're calm, just think and float. You won't kasi di ba when people die, their
They
bodies
panic.
their bodies float on
Mm.
water. So parang we should practice that, like floating lang like that,
Yeah.
So I practiced that and mastered
Ate,
that
excuse me, girl.
so many times, and
Yeah, ice po. Thank you po. Ah, ayun.
so yeah, we learned that, practice that so many times. And I mastered it.
Hmm.
And it's a great thing. Actually, kahit nung nagpalawan kami 2
Oo.
years ago with my other friends,
Mm-mm.
ganun din ginagawa ko. Tumatalon ako without the life vest because I know how to swim.
Mm.
And the water there,
Mm.
so much deeper, girl.
Yeah. I mean, alam
Really
ko,
deeper. El Nido, Palawan.
ang alam ko kasi, ano ba, Pacific na? Yung nasa Palawan ba?
Yeah,
Pacific na, no?
yeah.
Yeah.
To see the corals and
Understandable.
everything, parang you won't see the ilalim talaga, girl.
Mm-mm.
That's actually the scary part. Pero if you know how to float and not panic,
Mm.
nung nag-aano tayo when we were looking for the black tip sharks,
Yeah.
I had my own direction, they had theirs.
Kaya nga.
Nakakapit sila sa life vest with the bankero,
Yeah.
the guide. Pero I'm just happily swimming on my own.
He's just a happy fish in
I'm just
water.
a happy fish, yeah.
A gay fish.
Yes, colorful one. Oh, you know what? I saw Nemo.
Yeah, KT2.
I saw Nemo, girl. Tsaka na saan sila?
Anemone?
Si Anemone.
Really?
Yeah, really they are.
Thank you
Yeah,
po.
thank you so much. Tapos,
Finally.
I saw a male clownfish and a female clownfish.
How do you tell?
I think
a
the
male and the female.
I think I might be wrong. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. I think the male clownfish is like the one with the darker skin. The darker color.
Mm-mm.
Parang siyang may black, the darker
Mm-mm.
orange.
Parang kumbaga nadumihan na orange. Parang
Yeah, something like that. Pero, the female clownfish is the real orange fish.
Orange.
Yeah, like the Finding Nemo orange. And parang it's so happy na parang you see them out of their
Anemone.
No, parang hindi mo siya makita sa aquarium, sa park.
Yeah.
Yeah, parang it's just out in the
It's just
wild.
there.
Yeah. Wow, I'm like, wow, this is beautiful nature.
Mm.
Siguro one thing I'm depressed about is parang the corals, girl.
They're dead.
Dead.
Mm-mm.
Dead. No color, dead.
Yeah.
Dusty and dead. Like parang,
What happened?
I know. That's so sad. Pero sa sa El Nido, Palawan, the corals are very
Ang
much
ganda.
very much alive.
Tsaka sa Coron. I've been to Coron.
Parang they're purple, they're blue.
Yeah. Every color of the rainbow.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Sobrang ganda.
Yes.
Dun sa Coron, yung pinuntahan namin before na Coral Garden. Girl, napagod lang talaga ako that time kaya hindi ko nadala yung phone ko to capture. Pero sobrang ganda.
Right?
Mm-mm.
It's like a majestic
I'm not
place.
even gonna mention who I'm with kasi
Yeah, you know what?
let's book a trip there next year,
Next year.
and let's kumbaga replace
Yeah,
the
let's
memories.
Yeah, let's redo Coron.
Let's redo.
Let's redo
Yeah.
Coron with the three of us.
Or maybe with someone special.
Ano na? And also this time, we should be skinny.
Yeah,
We should be
please.
skinny. Like we should lose
Please.
weight. Yeah, like we have like so much more than a year.
Yeah.
I mean, we're confident in our bodies, yes, pero parang it's just
It's just more giving kapag,
Yeah, it's just more giving.
kapag Katie's shaking her head. Why?
I'm comfortable. Literally in a long sleeve.
maganda yung pink outfit ni Katie
Yeah, actually,
with the
it's
ballerina
cute.
tutu na ano niya.
What
Na-
if you show yourself here? Pakita mo lang yung clothing mo.
No. Shy.
She said no, she's shy.
Okay.
But naano niya, napormahan niya yung pink.
Maganda naman yung pink. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cute.
And also, no, parang, I remember yesterday, when we were at the island, taking photos,
Mm-hmm.
ako, I'm not a demanding photo kineme. Like, parang post, yes,
Yeah.
eat, love it, like that,
Yeah.
on the side, yes, not demanding.
Yeah.
Pero nung ako na pinipicture, sabi ko, ayoko talaga, you don't have to picture me because I just wanna see my masterpiece.
Yeah.
Because,
But of course, as the
Sig-
girlies, we
sig-
won't allow
yeah,
it.
siguro I'm not really like a good photographer, but I just have, I know the angles.
Yeah.
And parang sabi, no, hindi kami papag na wala ka ng pictures. And I'm like, okay, sure, take my picture. And then, girl, my directors really got into me. Like, really, girl. Like, parang, hindi, ganito, mag-post ka ng ganyan, hindi ganito.
Move.
Yeah, move. Yeah, higa ka, no, ilagay mo yung ulo mo sa ganito.
The toes should be pointed.
Yeah,
Point mo yung toes.
Point mo yung toes, nakaganyan dapat to, nakaganyan. Laugh like you're laughing at somebody. Yes, laugh like pose. I'm like, oh my God, please. I'm just a girl. I don't even know what the fuck am I doing.
I mean, look at the photos.
The photos are great. It's just that my photo shoot directors are really demanding.
I mean, I'm the photographer, so and I'm one of the directors.
Yes, girl.
So I take credit for that. And
You do.
Katie.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much.
Katie is the motion director.
You know what? Katie's actually depressed right now because
Vape is broke.
her vape died.
Yeah, her
Rest-
vape died.
Yeah, rest in peace, girl. We should bury your vape
No,
with the
I'm happy.
with the bougainvillea flowers.
Happy.
Mm.
Now happy.
Yung nakapalibot yung bougainvillea flowers.
Yeah.
Then masaya na siya, may yosi na siya.
Pero girl, little distance. We really don't like the smell.
Yeah,
I
please.
We love you. We love you, but we really don't like. Kahit si daddy, pag nag-iossi, lumalayo ako.
Yeah. Di, kapag naman, lumalabas naman yun si Papa. Kapag
Yeah. I think
Yeah, pero I'm kinda drunk.
you are.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway,
I'm drunk. Like,
guys.
she's red. I
Anyway,
think.
guys, love this episode of the island. So, I heart Cebu.
I heart Malapascua.
Yes, this is Cebu, girl.
I'm-
Katie said, I love the boys.
Katie said I love the boys.
You
I
should-
mean, we do too.
You should have like a mic, like parang you don't need to speak, but speak when you have to.
Yung parang kumbaga, yung may ano lang sa likod.
Yeah,
Tas
just side
i-edit-
comment.
i-edit na lang yung sinabi niya sa gilid.
Yeah, crazy. I love your side comments.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Point A to Z, and I'm your main host. My name is Myla, MIL Los Angeles, and this is.
Leia, not Salonga.
Thank you so much, Cebu.
Thank you.
And done.
We're done.
We're done. Sorry, girl. Girl, I'm so sorry.